This quick tutorial will demonstrate how to navigate to and effectively utilize the Kitsap County Department of Community Development's Where's My Permit dashboard, where you can quickly obtain an update on the status of your permit and where your permit is in the review process. To navigate to the dashboard, you'll want to start at DCD's website. For the top of the page, you'll find several drop-down menus. You'll want to click on Permitting, and then down to Permit Timeframes and Statistics. From there, you'll go down and want to click on the link that says, Where is my permit in line? Which will pull up the Where's My Permit dashboard. This is an external facing dashboard that allows customers to search individual permits. To use it, you'll need your permit number handy. You'll enter your permit number in the search box located in the upper right corner. It's important you enter your complete permit number, including the dash. Also be sure to enter your permit number precisely, as the search feature will not work if extra spaces are present. After you click on the magnifying glass, the permit information will appear. The first line will display your project's name. The second line will detail your permit's current review cycle information, which includes the number of current days in review, current permit status, and current cycle start date. Next, the blue ribbon will outline your permit's position in the larger review queue. You'll notice that this permit is number 88 out of 236 building permits that DCD is currently reviewing. Just below the blue ribbon is the Permit Steps table, which lists all the steps required for a specific permit and outlines the review step status. In this table, you'll find a short description as well as the status of each step. The status date is also displayed, and it reflects the date the step was last worked on. Of note is that you can scroll through all of the steps in the table. Below the Permit Steps table is where all review cycle timelines are displayed. The start date and end date for each cycle are outlined, as is the date a response was received from the customer. This section shows the number of review days for each cycle. In this example, you can see that there are 2 review cycles for a combined review time of 91 days. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find helpful links for you to take specific action on your permit, such as making a payment or viewing inspection results. Customers can also locate valuable information through linked resources, forms, and brochures. Lastly, when clicked, the View List Format of Building Permits link provides a complete list of all building permits currently in review. We hope you find the Where's My Permit dashboard helpful. If you have any questions, please contact DCD by calling 360-337-5777 or email us at help@kitsapone.com.